Hey guys, Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler. I know you've seen some of my F450 limited YouTube videos. Just wanted to take a quick second and show you this black F450 limited we've got. This is the last one as of right now. I've got 4 more on the way. This one stickers for $89,520. It's here for sale and available. Remember, we're the home of no dealer fees, no dock fees. These trucks come completely loaded with everything you can possibly imagine. I've just had mostly white ones, and this one happens to be black, so I just want to let y'all take a quick peek at it. I'll put my 1-800 number in the video if you guys have any questions, know anybody looking. We'd love to have y'all's business. We're at Hunt Ford, right off I-65, exit 6. Again, the home of no dealer fees and no dock fees. Give us a shout. We can ship these things to you, whatever works for you. Thanks a bunch. Have a great day.